I am starting my day with a nice walk. I have been inspired. Losing Laura. If you guys are into weight loss and enjoying your life, intermittent fasting, she's a great channel, and she does things that I used to do, which is canning and freezing and taking care of her chickens. I love that. I miss that. But in an RV, you have limited space, even though I've kind of taken up a lot of that space in the RV and in the shed by my spending habits. Got to work on that. But anyway, I just want to say hello and let you know I'm starting. I'm having my morning walk, and I'm going to see if I can make it a mile today. We shall see. See you in a bit.
All right, this week I lost 2.4 pounds and a total weight loss of 24.6 pounds. I'm excited about that. I'm sharing the meals that I had this week, and this was starting it. Turkey patties and eggs, steak and salsa, hearts of palm noodles with homemade spaghetti sauce and more salsa. This was my mistake, a chocolate donut that I made. I stayed in ketosis though. After that, I went and ate some ranch dressing with some broccoli, along with my liver and gravy and broccoli. So that was my meals.
Okay. I almost done a mile. Yay!